Hey guys, it's Anarchy, and today I'm going to show you how I did this Lydia Deetz inspired look. I went more for the cartoon version of Lydia because I have this red poncho and I don't know. I feel like I've seen a lot of people do the version from the movie. I want to do the version from the cartoon. This is definitely one of the more wearable Halloween looks I've done this year, and I'm absolutely loving it. And for this look in particular, I used a lot of Sugar Pill's new eyeshadows that they just launched. It's not a sponsored video or anything. I just got them in the mail like right when I was going to do this. I noticed that a lot of them are just the right shade for this sort of look, so that worked out really well. And with that being said, if you want to know how I got this Lydia Deetz inspired look, go ahead and keep on watching. So for this look, I started out with my base already done. Then I took this dark purple shade called Ego and densely packed it in my crease and also under my eye. Then I took this lighter pinkish shade called 16 and used that to blend it out. After that, I took a black eyeshadow and darkened up the crease. I also applied it under my waterline because I'm really going for a dark effect with this purple. Next, I just blended out that black with that dark purple Ego again. Once all of those base shadows are blended out, I took some concealer and cut my crease. Once the base was done, I then took a white eyeshadow and applied it on the center of my lid. Then I took that same eyeshadow 16 and applied it on the outer parts of my lid and just blended them together and made sure they looked really seamless. I then used my blush brush to apply 16 around the outer parts of my eye and extending it down to the outer parts of my cheek. Then I took a bright pink blush and just blended that out and applied it to my cheeks. After that, I took some bronzer and just added a bit of light contour and shading throughout my face. Next up for the eyeliner, I just did a simple cat eye on the top. And unfortunately, my camera didn't want to focus, but I also drew little fake eyelashes at the bottom of my eye. Then I applied a black liquid lipstick to my lips. And then for the finishing touch, I threw on some lashes, my wig, and my costume, and this is how it looks. So here's the finished look. I'm actually so happy with it. I feel like I look really cute. I know the bow's the wrong color, but I can't find anything purple, so I just went with red to match the shirt. I love this so much. In fact, I'm actually gonna go out right now and wear this out and about on the town. Like, I literally don't care. I wanna go out like this. I feel cute. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you wanna see more content like this. Don't forget to follow me on all of my other social medias. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.